people, how are you doing today? Today we're gonna show you how you can put an image into HTML file, and also for a bonus I'm gonna show you how you can put a link tag, so whenever you click on the image you can go to the other page or wherever you like to go to. So let's get started. As this is the main tag, let me show you what I have done. So it's just the main container, and have a main, then have a container. Again, these are all the properties. I haven't given any properties to main. Let me just take it off then. Alrighty, and no. Sweet. So that's our page. So how it works, it's pretty simple. You just go and download an image whichever you like. As you can go to your any search engine you like, just download a picture. IMG. So just an example, show how it works. Just like, for example, I like this image. I can go click save image as it's a GIF image, so I rather go and get a PNG, which is a format for the images. If you press PNG, and let's see where it is. Why am I having it? Alrighty, let's go. Alrighty, so that's a PNG image. What you can do, you just go here and you can put it as, so as you can see, one second, I'm gonna put it as logo one. As you can see, it's a PNG format, which is PNG image. After that, you save it to the folder where your HTML files are. So I'll show you. So here's my HTML files and here's my image. So just try to save it as a save type as a PNG or whatever type it is. You save it. There you go. So now it's here. So after that, we don't need any more. So let's make it 2 screens. Alrighty. So from here, we're gonna put an image. So it's pretty simple. You just have to put an image tag, and then it will ask for the source. So source is the image file. So it's gonna be logo 1.png. That's our image tag, and let's see if it works. Let's refresh the browser. Boom, that's too big. Let's fix it. So there's 3 ways to do it, but let's do the easiest way. If I go to here, because image is not a class, you just put an image, open the tag. I can put width 200 pixels and height 200 pixels as well. And let's see. Sweet, there you go. So now image is resized and it's here. If I open to inspect, so this is one of the ways to see it. So now the image size is 200 by 200. As you can see, and here you go. Sweet. So now that's how you put an image. But now I'm gonna go to my own page. For example, it's my logo and I want to go to another page. So what I can do, I can put in reference. So how we can do it, we can put it in a tag called a tag. So it's like a reference tag for the image. So I'm gonna put it in the a tag and close it here. So as you can see, it says href, so which means where does it refers to. So for that, we can just copy the link and we can just save it here and just save it. Alrighty, so now if I refresh, you're gonna see that it's showing a different arrow sign. As you can see, if I go back and seeing arrow sign, so it means it's a link. So if I click on it, it will take me to the place where I want to. Boom, there you go. That's how it's done. Alright guys, if you have any question, leave in a comment and please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.